Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox MI Basic headsets. And guys, this is one of the cheapest headset in the market from MI. The box is quite small. Okay, let's open it.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard wrote this.
Yes, right away there is a headset. It is in a cover, and there are some earbuds, extra earbuds in the box. And guys, there is nothing in this box. Guys, it comes with two sets of extra earbuds. I think one side is small and one side is large, and the medium is already on the headset itself. Okay, come, let's take a look on the headset. Oh guys, the headset is not fully black and it is made of metal, and the wire feels good. And guys, it also comes with a microphone. Let's take the headset out. Front side is plastic, and the right left indications are marked on the headset. It comes with a microphone, and there is a function button in it. You can pause and play the music, and you can answer the call and end the call with this. There is a microphone inside this button. Guys, the wire feels good. And it comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Guys, it is normal headphone jack, it is not gold plated or something. And there is small MI tag in there. Okay guys, let's test the headphones now by playing some songs and videos. Let me take my phone. And guys, the one with the microphone is the right side, and the other is on the left. Another hair tip is the left side. Guys, the headphone feels quite good on my ears. They fit very perfect. Okay, let's check the sound quality now. Let me check some other song with good bass. Guys, really the headphone sounds good, and the bass is not that much, but for 200 rupees the bass from this headset is really good. It feels like if you are going to buy with some other brands, you have to spend at least 800 rupees for the basic headsets, and the bass will not be that much good like this headset bass. I feel the bass is good. Let me place this headset near the microphone so that you can hear something else. Guys, really that is the sound from the headset, and I have placed the volume level full here. Guys, I got it for 200 rupees on a deal. I don't know what's the original price of this headset. Let me check it. Guys, the original price of this headset is $399, and I think it comes in two colors, a red and this, I don't know what to call this color. It's like ash, shining ash. I call this as a black. I don't know why. For my eyes, it doesn't look like black. Only the front part looks like black, and the back, the metal part, is really not that black color. I think it is ash color. And all other parts in this headset is black. It comes in a two color variant, red and black. The original price of this headset is $399, guys, but I bought it for $200 on a deal. If I still see that deal, I will definitely leave a link in the below. Guys, you guys can get it for $200 and enjoy the music without any issues. Okay guys, that's it. Guys, if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and if you have any suggestions, please comment down below on the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe for the channel. Bye.